What's going on, B-Risers? Hope you guys are doing fabulous. So I went by the farmer's market this morning and I picked up some herbs, which I normally do, but I thought let's share with you guys the video of what I do. And this video is on how to make lemon balm tea. Lemon balm comes from the mint family. If you guys come across this lemon balm, smell it. You guys are gonna love it. Not only that, but you guys know with me and herbs are nature's little pharmacy. They are packed with antibacterial, antimicrobial, antiviral, so very, very good for cold and flu season. And there are so many people that have certain weaknesses in certain areas, genetic weaknesses in all different areas. And what I love about herbs is they're tissue specific. So they really get in the body and they start detoxifying these glands, these specific tissues. So I got just two herbs with me today, dill and lemon balm. Dill, like both of these herbs are really good for females in particular. If you have menstrual cramps, you want to try to get in dill in your soups and try to get in some herbal teas that are really, really good for you. I am looking at detoxifying my liver, so lemon balm is really good for detoxifying the liver and hydrating the kidneys and adrenal glands. So you guys know I love herbs, and I'm just gonna show you a quick video today on how to make this lemon balm tea. And so here it is, and I wish you guys could just smell this through the camera. It smells so good. Mixture of like mint and lemon. Oh, it's so good. And we have this dill here, so I'm gonna make some borscht with this dill. And again, you guys, these are really, really good for fighting any sort of infections, flus, bacterial infections, virals. A lot of people walk by them in the store or at the farmer's market, but these are little plant powerhouses. And I'm growing my own up here. We got some parsley and I got some oregano. So oregano is also really good. And just quick show you my fruit stash. So I got hooked up at the farmer's market, you guys, with these cantaloupes. So these babies, I can't wait to cut into. There's nothing like local fresh, right from the land, right from your land. And these, last time I had one of these from the farmer's market, it was absolutely delicious. So I can't wait to crack that cantaloupe open. And let's get to the tea. I got some flowers here too, you guys. So you guys know me. The bees, we love color. We love beautiful, beautiful plants. So let's get into this tea. I want to just tell you guys, this is a very easy tea to make. What you can do, just simply just wash the lemon balm. Now this is organic, no pesticides, herbicides. That's important. We want to start cleaning up the intestinal tract, our microbiome, and we don't want any pesticides going in there because they can wreak havoc on our intestinal tract. So, and all our other organs and glands. So this is organic. I'm just gonna wash this. Now if you just want a quick cup of tea, you can just boil some water and let the leaves sit in there for a few minutes or so. So sometimes I will do that. So I'll just put a few leaves in here, boil some water, and let it sit for a little while, just to soak up the the natural oils from the plant. And another way that I like to do it, I'll show you guys here. So I just got my pot here, and really all I do is just put the leaves in like this, and usually let it boil for 4 to 5 minutes, and that's it. And then you can either strain it, but I like to have some leaves in the tea as I'm drinking it, and it's just super, super soothing, super hydrating for the body, and just another way to get in healthy foods in the body. So I hope this video helps you out. Next time you guys see lemon balm, if you're at your local farmer's market, look out for it. You guys, Promise you, you will love it. The smell, the taste, and it's so good for you, especially if you have any GI tract issues like Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis. It's really good for soothing the whole intestinal tract and detoxifying the liver and the kidneys. So really good to get in some herbal teas and start hydrating the body. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.